Welcome back. Now the Midday Sports Roundup.
The West Indies T20 captain Rovman Powell says the team will have to be fearless if they are to win their remaining 3 matches in the 5-match T20 series against England. England took a 2-0 lead in the series on Sunday following a 7-wicket win at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. Batting first, the Windies were restricted to 158 for 8, with captain Rovman Powell top scoring with 43. Romario Shepherd also made 22 off 12. England's Sakeed Mahmood, Liam Livingstone and Dan Mosley all had 2 wickets. In their run chase, England lost first-match centurion Phil Salt off the first delivery of their innings. However, captain Jos Buttler with 83 from 45 balls and Will Jacks 38 added 129 for the second wicket. England eventually posted 161 for 3 or 14.5 overs to achieve victory. Shepherd returned to take 2 for 42 for the Windies.
Just be fearless, just to play the brand of cricket that has got us here. We have been playing some good T20 cricket for the past 18 months, so why change now? St. Lucia provides an opportunity for batters that I think are still in good nick to put some scores on the board, but it's important for the top 5 to bat majority of the overs.
The teams will now travel to St. Lucia for the final 3 games in the series. Game 3 is set for Thursday. As they did in 2022, the Sunshine Girls ended the Fast 5 World Netball Series without a win as world number 1 Australia captured their 3rd straight title in Christchurch, New Zealand. The Jamaicans ended 6th and last after losing 36-38 to England in the 5th place playoff. The Sunshine Girls had earlier lost 39-56 to Australia and 26-43 to Uganda in their final 2 preliminary round games on day 2. Australia took their 3rd straight title as they got the better of New Zealand 34-30. 3rd place went to Uganda as they defeated South Africa 46-42. And finally, Jamaica's Jaden Hibbert headlines a short list of athletes nominated for the World Athletics 2024 Rising Stars Award that looks at the year's best under-20 athletes. Hibbert would attain the world under-20 lead in the triple jump, making a leap of 17.75 meters, which he set in Kingston on June 1 at the race's Grand Prix. He also placed 4th at the Paris Olympics, missing out on a podium spot by 3 centimeters, jumping 17.61. Other nominees include long jumper Mattia Forlani from Italy and middle and long distance runner from the Netherlands, Nils Laros. The nominations reflect some of the standout performance that year the sport has witnessed at the Paris 2024 Olympics, World Athletics Indoor Championships, World Athletics Under-20 Championships, World Athletics Cross Country Championships, one-day meeting circuits and other events around the world. The winner of the 2024 Men's Rising Stars Award will be announced on World Athletics platforms on December 1. I'm Christopher Scott, and this was your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.